In fields where ancient tales were spun, a new dawn rises with the sun. India strides with boundless grace, a nation shaping its own space. With rockets piercing through the skies, the stars now seem within our eyes. Chandrayaan's touch on lunar dust, a testament to dreams and trust. In sports arenas, the cheers arise for athletes reaching for the skies. In every victory, a nation's pride. In every effort, the dreams ride. The world now sees with new respect a nation's strength, its intellect. From ancient roots to modern might, India's achievements shine so bright. So let the anthem's echoes ring. In every corner, let us sing. With India's journey rich and vast, with hope and pride, our flags are cast. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.